Oh, hi. Uptown Swing.
Maddie.
Level 2 tandem.
Charleston. Peter.
Nailed it. We're like Run DMC
Yeah.
out here. And it's a rap group from the 80s. Okay, so we did Tandem Charleston. Goes like this. Left foot back, everybody. Because of the patriarchy, sorry, everybody. 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, kick, step, double kick. Everybody's got to get used to the rock step on the left foot. You did a great job with that. Then we did it behind each other, like so. We both bend so we fit like little puzzle pieces. We both have to bend. If we don't, just imagine. Okay, here it is. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, ho, ha, ha. Rocking and chilling. That's the stuff. Now, we did a little sequence where we did our
Skip up.
Tandem skip up, thank you. And we also did a little S turn into that. Here's the S turn. First, we're gonna do the S turn without the kicks. So just triples. Rock, step, triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step, rock, step. I'm saying leader's footwork because the follower's footwork is more basic. We turn all those triples into kicks. Rock, step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step. Now we're into Tandem Charleston. From here, we did a skip up. Rock, step, arms, hey, double kick, and we're back. Ha, ha, ha. Get it close, everybody. We'll see you next week.